In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add created post fundamentals in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own chart. Go ahead and open up TradingView Pro and make sure you have a chart pulled up for any symbol you want to analyze. It doesn't matter which market you're on, as long as you're looking at a chart. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Indicators menu. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen, labeled Indicators or represented by an icon. Click on that to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can add all kinds of tools to your chart, including the fundamentals we're focusing on today. Once that window is open, look for the section labeled Fundamental. In TradingView, this section contains data that goes beyond just price action, giving you more context about the asset you're watching. Click on Fundamental to expand it. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll a bit or look through the available categories until you find it. Inside the Fundamental section, find and click on Socials. This area is designed to show you information related to social activity and community-generated content that can be tied to your chart. Adding these can help you see sentiment or insights that go along with the price movements you're tracking. Within Socials, look for the option called Created Post. Go ahead and click on Created Post to add it to your chart. Once selected, TradingView will apply that fundamental layer directly to the chart you're viewing. Depending on your layout, you may see new markers, labels, or panels appear, representing posts and social-related fundamentals connected to that symbol. From here, you can hover over or click on those elements to get more detail and see how these created posts line up with the market moves. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to understand how community reactions or shared ideas might coincide with key price levels, breakouts, or reversals. If you're new to TradingView Pro and want to unlock all the features I'm using in this tutorial, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. Once you're set up, repeat these steps on any chart you're analyzing so you always have your created post